Meat Training Centre. Minister in charge Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department Sanbor Shalai on Monday informed that official communication has already been sent to Assam Chief Minister requesting his intervention to ensure smooth transit of cattle. He also said that 53 applications have been received so far for the issue of transit permits and 370 transit permits have been issued to genuine local traders, dairy cooperative societies and others. Warning stern action against officials and staff of the department indulging in extortion while checking documents of vehicles carrying cattle into the state. He said be it police or officials of the veterinary department, an FIR will be filed instantly and departmental action will be taken accordingly.
With our department and to come forward to register your complaints with documented proof, video clipping, video recording, with all these things. Then immediately, if they are the police or the official of the veterinary, immediately we will file the FIR and we will suspend them immediately.
Indian Meteorological Department has